What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Keeping Up with Crypto with your boy Xander. Got another good one for you today. It's actually been quite a while since I've made a video. I've been kind of chilling out a little bit on Keeping Up with Crypto, moving on to Keeping Up with Gaming. Put a lot of work into there, just trying to get it started. You know, go check it out if you want to. The link will be down in the description. But today we're going to be talking about market cap. Let's just do like a quick overview. Let's check out, see what's been going on, guys. It's good to be seeing that it's still staying steady in the $300 billion range. I know that it dropped not too long ago, just a couple weeks ago. It's been low. So we saw that big dip down back in February 6th, February 5th, where it was under $300 billion. And then we saw it rise all the way up to 510. I know a lot of us were getting excited on those days back in the late February, early January. It was really getting up there. Litecoin was around like 200, 250. I know I was getting excited. I know you were getting excited. Come on. You were getting a little excited, guys. But then we saw it drop and continue to drop from there all the way till like it was April 6th, I believe. That was the lowest point. Yeah, around there. April 6th, we saw it at about $248 billion. Not great. Like, I'm going to be honest with you guys, it could still drop even lower than this. I'm in it for the long haul, and I hope all of you are too. And I think that should be the mindset that you're in, is just and I know it's overplayed, but just hodl. Like, that's the thing. Right now, this is not the good time of year to be for crypto. Like, it's not going to be popping. You're not going to be selling. You're not going to be getting your Lambos. You're not going to be getting a lot of stuff right now. Now is the time to hold, and now is the time to buy. There's a lot of great buying opportunities right now, guys, and you should go check them out. There's plenty of stuff to be bought right now. If you're looking to get into the crypto game, now is the time, and possibly even more into the future, but you just don't want to miss the bus. We could see this drop in the next few months, drop below 200 billion and get into the 100 billions. I hope not, just because I know it'll scare a lot of people off, but that is a complete possibility. But since that day, it's been going steadily rising up just a little bit, all the way up to the almost $350 billion mark, which is just, it's healthy. We're seeing it do all right now, but I'm really waiting for something big to pop and get all the way into the end of this year. I have a lot of money invested in it for me right now. I have all the positions that I want. I'm not selling. I'm not day trading. I'm not doing any of that. If you want to day trade and do stuff like that, you can. It's just kind of dangerous right now, especially when things aren't popping. It's easier to day trade whenever you have your cryptocurrencies that are doubling in an hour. It's easy to do that. But right now, it's kind of hard to predict where it's going to be going. And it's always hard to predict, but you have a better chance. I think you just can get luckier whenever the crypto market is booming and you're day trading. But guys, just hold on to that stuff, I think that crypto is going to be huge. I'm not worried about it at all. I might be a little worried. The only time I think I'll be worried is if at the end of this year, so like, how we had the boom about 2 months before Christmas and it just skyrocketed. Like, let's check out the year. Skyrocketing starting as soon as, I would say right here is about where it started skyrocketing. So November. So yeah, the last 2 months of the year, we just saw it just absolutely peak out. Just so high, all the way into the $800 billion. And obviously we've been on a decrease since then. But if within the end of these 2 months, by December, early January, and it hasn't done anything, I will be a little worried then. But I can promise you, even then, I will still be making videos. I'll still be helping you guys out, still be giving you all the information that I possibly can, and I'll be leaving my money in. This is, even if it doesn't happen in the next year, which I have no doubt that it will. Don't get me wrong. Don't misquote me here. I'm not saying that it won't. I'm just saying that there always is a possibility. You hope for the best, but prepare for the worst. And if in a year it still hasn't popped and we're still sitting at the $200 billion mark, I will be okay. This is not my rent money. This is not anything. I mean, it's not just throwaway money either, but it's okay. And that's how it should be. You should be investing what you can, not what you need to live off of. So invest when you can. If you have extra money, it's always best to spend that on this versus going out and seeing a movie. Like you spend $20-$30, go on a date, see a movie. That's $20-$30 worth of cryptocurrency you could have got, which could be potentially a couple hundred to a couple $1,000 in the future in the next year or so. So with my money, I plan on it. Yeah, I plan on at least doubling, tripling, quadrupling by the end of the year. Seeing great profits, taking some of my profit, and then reinvesting a lot of it back into the game. Tell me, guys, below, like, how your plans are. What do you plan on doing, and how do you plan on hodling, or do you plan on pulling out now? I mean, if you do, I mean, I can't say that I'm not going to say you're dumb. I'm not going to say that you're wrong, because again, none of us 100% know. I just think it's not the wise decision to pull out now or to pull out while we're low. I think there's still so much potential for cryptocurrency. This is only the beginning. First year that we've ever had a big year really for cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. So it only really has up to go. It's not a bubble. It's not going to burst. Crypto is here for the long haul, guys. But and also, I got a new slogan. Tell me what you think of this for keeping up, because it's keeping up with gaming and keeping up with crypto are the two channels that I have now, but I plan on doing even more in the future. And I was thinking keep calm and keep up for all of them. It's simple and maybe overused, but I like it. Keep calm and keep up. Tell me in the comments what you think about that slogan. And I think that's what I'm going to go with, especially if it's a lot of positivity backing it. But, I'll see you in the next one, guys.